name is Tilkampfer. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Germany, Cologne, and I'm currently on a bicycle trip from Cologne to Ho Chi Minh City.
How is your experience in Pakistan?
Experience in Pakistan, I've been here for now a bit over 40 days, and it's overall it's very nice. It's very good. It was very hot when I entered Pakistan at the beginning of September, and I had to get used to it. But the people here are very nice. The landscape improved in attractiveness when I came to the north. Like from the south to Islamabad, it was quite flat and not spectacular. But now I went up from Islamabad to Deosai, and it was totally worth it. It was very nice views, and all the people here are very friendly. Deosai was definitely something special on my journey. It was over 4,000 meters, 4,200 meters, I think. It was a hard way up from Astor. I have a bike and a trailer, so a lot of weight. I carry all my stuff with me, a tent. So it took me a while to get up there. But the views and it was totally quiet, like no sound at all, and you don't have that often. And it was a very nice experience. I had to camp there one night on 4,200 meters. And it was incredibly cold. Like when the sun set and it was, I was in the shadow, the temperature immediately dropped, and in the tent it was minus degrees, and it was very hard to find some sleep. So that was definitely something I underestimated, but when I woke up in the morning and the sun went over the mountains, the horrible night was forgotten. The people are generally very nice, like very open, very curious. A lot of people come to me because I completely look different, I do different stuff. Like you don't see many cyclists in Pakistan, so everyone pretty quickly knows that I'm not from here, and they want to know where I'm from, what I'm doing, what's my name, where am I going, if I need some help. Like every day there are dozens of people coming to me asking me questions. Sometimes it can be like when you go up a mountain and are really like out of breath, and then some motorcyclist is coming next to you, it's an interview, and you're just like, I tried to survive here, just go, let me alone. But overall, the experience with the Pakistani people are just nice. I've never had a bad meeting, bad coincidence with Pakistani. So that's one reason why I came here, because I didn't really had a perception. I didn't really had an image. I knew Pakistan, of course, and but most of the things I knew about Pakistan was from the movie Gandhi. So one from 2 hours maybe. And so I didn't know much, I have to admit. So I didn't know that Karachi existed, like a 16 million people city, and I didn't know that it was there. My perception is generally very positive. The only thing, or one of the things, the main things is there's a lot of rubbish. A lot of rubbish in Pakistan, and you really have to fight. Like you have such a beautiful country, but this destroys a lot of the image, a lot of the feeling. And when Pakistan would be clean, it would be even nicer. When you're a fan of the mountains, fly to Islamabad and go north. There's nothing else. Like you don't have to go south, and do it. Like it's. The views on Naaqabal, on the 8,000 meter mountains, you don't have that in Europe. It's something else, like the Alps. It's completely different, and I'm glad that I'm here. I'm glad that I made this experience, and I can totally recommend it. It's very nice.